Happy Wheels of Future. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to Happy Wheels. Well then. Ooh, it's like the Hunger Games. Spike drop.
Damn it!
I clicked jump. No, not really. I'm sorry. 3 years to make this. Please. It did not take 3 years. Neon World. Ooh. Whoa. Studio really ramen. Oh my gosh, I'm getting bad frames. Oh, bunny hop. Bunny hop. I'm flying. Look at me go. Wow, I'm getting bad frames. Oh, I just owned that. That was awesome. Alright, let's play a different level. That wasn't hard at all. We will play Dawn of the Dead level 7. Yeah. Alright, oh, water supply. Alright, jump. Jump. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh. Dead. You dead, bro. Yes, you are now. Oh, jump. Oh. Okay, boom. You also did, bro. Chop your legs. You also did, bro. Oh my god, you're so locked. Ooh. Oh, I didn't even have to shoot him there. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, jump shot. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, what the heck? Oh god. What's happening? Well. Huh. I don't think this is supposed to happen. Jump. Jump.
Oh!
Hub. Oh yeah, pick it up. Nerd. Alright, Rage Pit. Oh, my fat lady. You like the spoon. Let's go. It keeps it. Ooh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, who do I want? Who do I want? I want Sand. He can fly. Alright. You. Sorry, my sister's trying to turn this one off. Oh, whoa. Fly. Come, let's fly with me. Oh my gosh, is this like the string level? Oh man. Wow. Let's go. Page. Oh, is this like the Zelda character? Oh, it is. Fly, Chubsies. Alright, fly. Oh, hello. That's right. Oops. Come on. Can't start now. Oh, okay. Alright, well, I think I'm about done, and goodbye.